Hi, all. Before we begin, pause for a second. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Now look around you or imagine a place you love. Maybe a beach, a forest, or a quiet park. What do you hear? What do you feel? That is where we begin. So, what's nature? Nature is everything that exists without us creating it. The trees, the rivers, the sky above you, the ground beneath your feet. It's the sound of the birds in the morning, the movement of clouds, the calm rhythm of flowing water. But here's a question for you. When was the last time you truly noticed it? Not just walked past it, but actually paused and felt it. Most of us are so busy with screens, work, and constant noise that we slowly lose touch with this natural world. And when that happens, stress builds up. Our minds feel cluttered and we feel disconnected. Now imagine this. You're walking slowly through a quiet green space. There's a gentle breeze. You can hear leaves rustling, water flowing, birds calling. Your shoulders start to relax. Your breathing becomes slower. Your mind feels lighter. This is nature therapy. Nature therapy is simply the practice of reconnecting with nature in a mindful way to improve your well-being. No pressure, no rules, just presence. And there's a beautiful concept from Japan called Shinrin-yoku, also known as forest bathing. It's a practice of slowly immersing yourself in a forest environment, using all your senses to connect deeply with nature. We'll explore Shinrin-yoku in more detail in an upcoming video, so stay with me for that. But for now, let's try something together. If you can, step outside later today, or even open a window. Take 5 minutes. No phone, no distractions. Listen carefully. Notice the colors around you. Feel the air on your skin. How do you feel now compared to before? That small shift, that sense of calm, that's the power of nature therapy. So, here's a little challenge for you. Today, spend just 10 minutes with nature. No rushing, no scrolling, just being. And when you do, come back and tell me, what did you notice? Because sometimes The peace we are searching for has been all around us.